is used to display the statement to browser. That's it. It will not do anything. Okay, it will not do anything. Then, what is the role of printf function then? Printf function. So, what's the difference here between echo and printf? Echo, it will just display what? It will just display the statements, in the sense it will display only the strings. Okay, it will display only the strings. Okay, if we use printf function, right, in printf function we can use the format specifiers, right? We have heard about specifiers, right? So percentage d, percentage f, percentage c, right, percentage s, right? This percentage, right, percentage d, if you want to display any integer part, right, there we are going to use the percentage d, right? If you want to display any float part, percentage f. And in printf function, we can also have here, we have also have how many digit, means for example float. Okay, in float I have the value like 45.8899 something. Okay, this value I got as a result, but I don't want to display all this number in my browser. I want to display only 45.88, 45.88, not this 99909, right? That is also is supported in printf function. Okay, I will explain that one. For all these purpose, we are going to use this printf function. Printf function not only used to display the strings and statements. Okay, if you want to display any integers, right, any float numbers. Okay, if you want to include a format specifiers, right, that we can use, that we can give in printf function. That is not supported in the echo. That is not supported in the echo. That is the major advantage of using the printf function. But in echo, okay, a normal statements, okay, normal string, any statements if you want to display, okay, recommended is we have to use the echo. Apart from statement, if you want to include any other type of things, right, there we're going to use this printf function. There we're going to use this printf function, right? So we'll write this program. What I will do, I will remove these things I don't want, right? So I will create one variable by name a equals 5. I given the value there. Then I will create one more variable dollar p equals at svi. Okay. Now we'll use printf function, because I'm going to pass this value here 5. This is the integer value, and svit is the what, string value. Okay, both we are trying to pass, okay, in a single statement, right? So as we have here integer, so echo is not able to use, we are not able to use the echo, because echo is used only for displaying the strings, right? So what I will do is I will use the printf keyword, and what statement you want to display on the browser side, the statement you are giving. Okay, what I will do, I am a percentage d, means I am a fifth. Okay, this 5 I am taking here. Okay, I am a percentage d, means this value I'm trying to get here. Okay, percentage d student, and I am studying in, right, percentage, yes. Now I am a fifth student, and I am studying in svit. Okay, we have to pass this variable name, right? So here, comma, dollar a, comma, dollar b, question mark, sorry, colon, then question mark, close. Simple PHP program. What it will do, we are trying to pass what, one variable as integer, one variable as string. Both thing I want to pass in my statement, right? It should be displayed over there in the browser. Okay, it includes the integer also, it includes the string also, right? That is the reason we are taking printf keyword. not echo. If you use echo, this 5 will not display that. You will get a user defined error. You will get some error there. That is the reason if you want to use any format specifiers, right, there we can use a printf function. There we have to use the printf function, right? So I will show the float part also. Save this, go to browser, right? We can see here, right, the statement we got here. I am a fifth of 5 student and I am studying in SVIT. Right, this result we got. So here we passed what integer value and also we passed the string value. Right. So what if I want to pass some floating values, right? Float values. How to float values there? How to pass the float values there, right? So for that we have to use what? Dot symbol, right? Now we have to use dot symbol, right? What I will do, this I will give float value. Okay, so float value, how much I can give, like your grade cards. Okay, grade 7.8965 something. Okay, 4-digit value I given after this point, right? 7.8956. Now I don't want to display all these values 8956. Only few point I want to display. So what I will do, I will go here. Okay, percentage is required, right? This is a this right specifier, right? This is a specifier is we require. Then dot means after this, okay, after dot, how many digit you want to display at the browser? Either you want to display 1 digit, 2 digit, right, 3 or 4 digit. So we will do what we'll do. We will give what? How many digit? 2 digit of float. Okay, so now I am a 5 student and I am studying in something. This 7.89 value you should get as a result there. Save. 0. You can see here. You got how many? 7.89 means it is round off, right? 7.90. It round off that value. 0.2f. So you got only this 2 value. For example, if you want to display 3 digit after the dot, you have to give 3 here. Save. You can see, right? 8956 is there, so it round off the value and it got 896, right? So this is how, where we can use this printf function rather than using the echo function, right? So where we have to use the format specifiers, okay, to display some integers rather than strings, right? There we are going to use this printf function than the echo function. That is what a difference in echo and printf. Okay, this printf